Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Vinted application. I'll be showing you guys how can you change your username on your Vinted profile. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up your Vinted on your web browser. In the top right corner, you will click on your profile icon and then click on profile. Now, right here, you will click on edit profile on the right hand side. And as you can see right here, you have all of your account and profile information. So your photo, about you, your location, etc. You can go into the account settings down here in order to change your username. So down here, you'll see your full name. There, you'll be able to change your name. So just delete this one and add the username that you would like to use. Down here, you can go up and click save and your username will be saved in no time. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.